This is the first time I've got to discuss about this dragon. Tonight we're gonna draw the Shadow Dragon. After the Dragon Balls cracked, even though when Chi-Chi wished for the whole planet not to end, when Shenron came forward, instead there was this purple and blue creature, almost as if the Dragon Balls were cursed. Thanks a lot, Zeno! Yeah, I saw that episode where Frieza killed Zeno, and who cares if time travel is a serious law? Who cares if trying to change history is a bad thing? The point is, we saved Zeno's life. There is no point in cursing the Dragon Balls, reversing every wish, and discontinuing the computation with the gods and the mortals. From what I've learned after 30 years after the Tournament of Power, Goku has mastered Ultra Instinct, achieved Omni Instinct, defeated the Grand Minister, and made Grand Zeno bow at his feet, turning him into the new Omni King himself. After that, well, my good guess, the curse on the Dragon Balls was undone, and, well, with no new fighters to beat, with no one stronger than him, Goku disappeared into the heavens, waiting for once more to have a serious challenge, serious and powerful fighter. Hopefully, it'll be as strong as the Shadow Dragon. The Shadow Dragon's main goal is if you want to grant a wish on this dragon, you have to beat all 7 dragons in order to achieve the wish. And then after that, well, it is done. The wish will be set. Goku decided to train with Shenron for the rest of eternity, resulting in Dragon Ball 100. Tai, I hope your Dragon Ball 100 series becomes a great success. Thank you. And another thing, did you know that this dragon smokes? Who does that? Lame. I know, lame, right? Nobody should smoke. It's illegal. Everywhere. Smoking is bad. Remember, boys, never smoke. It's a curse. And I mean it. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. And this goes out to all you Dragon Ball fans out there. I'm proud you all got to enjoy this episode.